Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. And this looks like something that we could have, maybe. Let's go on board and have a look. I'm not actually sure what to call this type of boat, but let's see. There you have the spreadsheet. Quite comfy inside. Small head. Yeah, enough headroom. I'm 175, so it's still, yeah, even if it's, yeah, 190 maybe. But as you can see, there are no way near enough clearance for me to stand up in the head. That's a big down. The berth. Two grown-ups. That's about max. One burner. Looks electric. Water. It's actually certified for 8 people, but there is no way you're gonna be able to fit 8 people comfortable inside. But at least outside it's enough space for sit 4 people maybe. But yeah. So yeah, it's good handles for safety. And nice and wide to walk around. Easy access in the front, but yeah. Pros and cons for me on this boat. It's about 7.5 meters long. Perfect all-weather day trip boat for some sleepovers, but that's basically it. A small 1-burner stove. I'm not sure if that's... Yeah, it's a ballast, so it's probably diesel. Small fridge. Yeah, it's a camping boat. Suitable for a couple, but that's it. I can't see us having this kind of boat, but if you're a a couple just going out on the weekends and so on, it's probably a perfect boat for you. But yeah, this one is not for us. That's why you need to look at boats, because but at first glance I thought this kind of boat maybe was something for us, but no, it's not. So let's go on to the next one.